Hello everyone, today we have Piyush Savarkar who secured an All India rank of 37 in GATE 2022 examinations. So heartiest congratulations Piyush for securing such a beautiful rank, and today we will be learning how he achieved this great feat through his own words. So my first question to you, what motivated you to start prepping for GATE?
So first of all, thank you for having me here. And I started my preparation, actually I was preparing for JEE Advanced exam in my 11th and 12th standard, but actually that exam didn't go well as expected, and that actually I had a dream from beginning itself to go at IIT. So I started my engineering, so I knew that the only way to get into IIT now with me is through GATE. So I had in my mind that I wanted to definitely give GATE exam, and at that time it was known that it only happens in 4th year, so I was not serious about GATE preparation in the beginning. I focused more on my semesters, and this is how I actually started with my GATE preparation.
Okay. So when did you actually started, all planned out everything, and then you started your preparation?
So as I said, my dream was to go to IIT, so I wanted to give GATE exam. But actually, as I was securing 10 pointers in my semester exams, like in 4 semesters I had got 10 pointers, so I basically wanted to maintain my pointers in college, and also I wanted to work hard on my final year projects. So I did not focus more in the final year for GATE preparation, although I started my preparation with Rajesh sir in my final year itself. And I prepared with him. I actually used to attend all his lectures, and actually I had gone through all the concepts what he has taught. I had also made my notes, but yes, I was mostly lacking in the preparation, like problem solving and exam prepared, and I also haven't given any test in those days in my final years. I just focused on my semester exams. So actually, this way I started my preparation, and I also had given GATE in 2021, that is last year, where actually I had got under 1000 rank, which basically boosted my confidence because I had not even given any exam or even any test, and still I was able to manage to get such a rank. So it was like a kickstart for me, that I knew that it is my game and it is pretty much possible. So then I started my serious preparation mid from last year, that is 2021. From there onwards I started my preparation, actual preparation.
Okay, so you realized that you were getting really good marks, and it's your cup of tea, you can do it.
Yeah.
So then what was your strategy?
So now when I knew what problems I had, like what mistakes I had done, the basic mistake was not solving any test, and I didn't develop my exam temperament, not even given a single test in the form of 3 years. So I knew that although I know most of the concepts, I lacked mostly in problem solving. So I started giving directly full-length 3-year previous year question papers in the month of May itself, and that I did till around May, June, July. Almost till August 1st or 2nd week, I used to just solve previous year question papers in the form of test, so as to develop the exam temperament, give them in 3 hours, and analyze all the mistakes I used to face. After that, basically, as I had my notes, so I just revised, and I gave 15-20 days and just brushed up all my gaps, filled my gaps, because as I had practiced the previous years now this year, so I knew what gaps I had, so I just filled them in 15-20 days, and then again I started my again giving all the previous year question papers. So I started giving all my previous year question papers, so that that helped me to leverage the knowledge of each and every difficult question which has come. Actually, I would like to suggest people that people should solve difficult questions, or rather all the previous year question papers multiple times, so that every time they solve, they will develop the intuitions behind the problem, and also they might be able to think about all possible variations which can come. Because as per my analysis, I feel that GATE exam is based on IIT specific. Like if Kharagpur is going to make the paper, then definitely there will be some influence of Kharagpur papers which they have set in previous years. Like in 2014, in 2006, Kharagpur has set the paper. Definitely the pattern is fixed. What Kharagpur is going to make, the number of questions from each topic that is going to come, that is exactly fixed. Just the thing is, what kind of questions they will ask, that will depend upon the trend which is going on in current 4 to 5 years. So if next year now, I think Kanpur will make the paper, so you should definitely solve Kanpur papers many times, multiple times. And also all the papers which have come 4-5 years behind the Kanpur paper. So this was my strategy for why I used to solve previous year question papers. And again till October I completed my syllabus, gone through them again and again, and also solved previous year question papers. Post October I started with full length, actually I started with test series. Then I was facing new questions in each and every test. So in the October, starting from October month, I started giving all the subject-wise tests and topic-wise tests that helped me actually clear out all my small regions in each of the subject. And this I did again and again till about December mid, and in the rest of the days of December I just focused on solving standard book exercises. And then in January month I used to give, then I started with full length mock test in the month of January. In those days I used to give those test series papers, like around 4 papers per day for 30 days I have given. And that boosted me a confidence that like I was able to solve those papers in 3 hours, and also I was able to manage time. That helped me to basically guarantee that I will definitely be going to get within 50 rank.
So that was your last strategy?
Yeah.
Okay. So after going through all this and analyzing yourself, working so hard, do you think there was some sort of impact on your life what GATE brought?
Yeah. Actually I would like to tell other people that other aspiring students that the most important mantra is do not think twice or thrice before doing hard work. You have to do it. Just plan it and start. There is no alternative for it. Just do smart work. Like basically what definition of smart work I use is, it is hard work plus time management. You have to do hard work. There is no skip for it. But also you need to remember that there is a time bound. You cannot give too much or too less time to something. You have to be better than, you have to try to be better than average in all the 12, 13 subjects, so that you will be so that you will be scoring a good marks in test. If you focus on only one subject or 2 subjects, then you might not be able to balance your marks. So this is the trick, I think.
That was really nice to know about your journey, and you have analyzed so much, you have studied GATE as an exam so much, and then you've worked hard. It is really nice to know, and I'm very sure that this video will be very, very beneficial for all the future aspirants. So thank you, Piyush, for talking with us and sharing your wonderful, valuable time with us. Thank you very much.